Are you a teacher or a parent or even a preschool educator who wants to implement Montessori in your preschool education? I'm going to talk about one major principle that is going to impact the Montessori education in the child's early years of life, especially in their cognitive developmental stages in a very holistic way. Hi, this is Pavitra, founder principal, Vrindavan Global Preschool and Vrindavan International Montessori Teacher Training Institute. Let's dive into the topic of 4 developmental domains which are going to impact the child's cognitive development. O, C, and I. What is O? O is order. So in a Montessori environment, every Montessori apparatus has a particular order and a designated space. So the child knows where exactly each Montessori apparatus is placed. So it takes the apparatus, it works on the apparatus and puts it right back into the designated spot. Next is C. C is coordination. So we talk about hand and eye coordination for an example. So when we talk about hand and eye coordination, we have an apparatus known as spooning of brains. So we have 2 cups and we have brains and we have a spoon and we allow the child to kind of scoop out some grains of the spoon, and then it has to really focus, and the hand and eye coordination here is very super important so that the grain does not spill on its way back into the other cup. So this right and left and this hand and eye coordination of spooning the grain from one cup and emptying it onto the other cup is the task given, and the child has to have a very good hand and eye coordination to complete that particular task. So once a child is mastering, and we have lot more experiments and lot more apparatus to focus and nurture this particular coordination factor, and also fine and gross motor skills were also developed in this Montessori environment, has been taken care of in this coordination aspect. Next is concentration. C is concentration. So what concentration we are focusing on here? So we are focusing on the child's expanded attention and the focus span. So generally kids are distracted, right? But in a Montessori environment, we equipments which nurtures the child focus, attention and concentration in a very effective way. For example, we could take a ping tower. So ping tower is basically we have cubes and the child has to build the tower based on visual discrimination, which is big to small arrangement, right? A tower is built like that, right? The bigger cube at the bottom and it goes on top to a smaller cube. So in an adult perspective or a teacher's perspective, it is a very simple task. But for the child or the toddler, it is super complex. So for that to achieve, the child to build the tower, it needs real concentration and focus. Next is independence. So I. So this Montessori, in a Montessori environment, we actually respect the child's freedom of choices, limits and independence. So here we give them limited freedom and limited choices. For instance, when a child comes into the Montessori environment, we ask the child whether you want to work on paint art or a brown stairs. So it kind of has so it becomes very enthusiastic and very active in the class because it has picked up that particular activity and it is now also independent. It takes kind of responsibility also in that particular activity. So we kind of give the child a limited freedom within and limited choices to do their day-to-day Montessori activities. And talking about independence also we nurture based on certain experiments. So to cater more on this independence aspect, we have something called as Exercise on Practical Life. It is an exclusive lab where we have dressing frames, buttoning frames, which enhances the child's ability to become more independent on their routines or their day-to-day activities without being dependent on any of the adult or any parent. So they can button their own shirt or lace their own shoes. So in that way, it's a very basic example of how we develop independency in a child. And there is a lot more to it. So now we saw OCCI, order, concentration, coordination, independence. So this is one of the major principles that creates a major impact in this Montessori environment, which kind of helps the child's cognitive development in a holistic way. So let's unravel more Montessori concepts and principles which are impacting Montessori education in preschoolers in our upcoming videos. Thank you.